Today I am reviewing the eufy Robot Vacuum E25. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The eufy Robot Vacuum E25 is designed for people who want a truly hands-free, deep cleaning solution that goes far beyond basic robot vacuums. From the moment you set it up, it becomes clear that this is not just a vacuum, but a complete all-in-one floor care system built to handle real-world messes, busy households, and modern living with impressive intelligence and power. One of the most striking features of the E25 is its massive 20,000 pascals of turbo suction. This level of suction power puts it in a premium category, allowing it to lift deeply embedded dirt, fine dust, pet hair, and allergens from carpets, rugs, and hard floors with ease. Whether it's crumbs and grout lines, dust trapped along baseboards, or fur woven into carpet fibers, the E25 handles it confidently without repeated passes. This makes it especially appealing for homes with pets, kids, or high-foot traffic. Vacuuming is only half the story here, because the mopping system is where the E25 truly separates itself from traditional robot vacuums. The roller mop paired with a HydroJet system continuously refreshes itself with clean water up to 2 times per second. That means the robot is always mopping with clean water rather than spreading dirty water around the house. Tough stains like dried coffee, food spills, and sticky residue are actively scrubbed instead of lightly wiped, resulting in a noticeably cleaner floor after each run. The all-in-one base station elevates the entire experience to a hands-free level that many users will appreciate. After cleaning, the robot automatically empties dust into a large 3-liter bag that can last for weeks, even in larger homes. The station also washes the roller mop, dries it using hot air to prevent odors and bacteria buildup, and refills the water tank automatically. This eliminates the daily maintenance typically associated with robot vacuums and makes the E25 ideal for people who want clean floors without constant involvement. Navigation and intelligence are handled with impressive precision. The laser-guided navigation system creates accurate maps of your home and can store up to 5 different floor plans. This is especially useful for multi-level homes, as the robot automatically recognizes which floor it's on and adjusts accordingly. The AI obstacle avoidance system detects common objects like shoes, cables, pet bowls, and furniture legs, allowing the robot to clean efficiently without getting stuck or bumping into things unnecessarily. Edge and corner cleaning is another area where the E25 shines. The corner rover arm extends outward to scrub along baseboards, reach tight corners, and clean around furniture legs, areas that many robot vacuums struggle with. This attention to detail ensures that dirt doesn't accumulate in overlooked areas, resulting in a more thorough and visually satisfying clean. Pet owners will especially appreciate the Duo Spiral anti-tangle brushes. These brushes are designed to actively prevent hair from wrapping around the rollers, dramatically reducing clogs and manual cleanup. Instead of stopping mid-clean due to tangled hair, the robot continues working smoothly, making it a reliable choice for homes with shedding pets. The E25 also handles mixed flooring intelligently. When it detects carpets, the mop automatically lifts to protect them from moisture, while the powerful suction ramps up to deep clean fibers. With the ability to climb thresholds and transitions, it moves smoothly between rooms without interruption. Battery life is strong, offering up to 125 minutes of combined vacuuming and mopping in standard mode. This allows the robot to clean large areas in a single session. If the battery runs low, it automatically returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes cleaning exactly where it left off. Despite its power, it operates quietly, making it suitable for use during work hours or at night. Setup is simple and user-friendly, requiring no drilling or complicated installation. Control options include the mobile app and voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, making it easy to schedule cleanings, adjust settings, or start a session with a simple voice command. Keeping the firmware updated ensures the robot continues to improve over time with enhanced features and performance. Overall, the eufy Robot Vacuum E25 delivers a premium cleaning experience that combines powerful suction, intelligent navigation, truly effective mopping, and unmatched convenience. It's an ideal solution for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants consistently clean floors without the daily effort. With its advanced automation, thoughtful design, and reliable performance, the E25 feels less like a gadget and more like a dependable cleaning assistant that works quietly in the background, giving you back valuable time every day.